Hi, welcome to the video brought to you by Maple System. In this video, I am going to run through certain business intelligence reporting systems. Let us go through certain sample business intelligence reports generated out through open source platform. Now this one is the account report. Now this reports, once we run, we can see the accounts of all your customer or maybe your client, debtors or suppliers and all of them. Employees also you can run. See here you can have your own logo customized as per your company's policy. Then here you can have the fields as per your requirement. Like here in this particular report we have name, phone number and address. But in case you want, you can have it categorized as a zone, you can have it categorized as per country, and many other criteria you can fit in as per your requirement. That is the beauty of business intelligence reporting system. The second report which we'll go through is the employee sales by month. This is much better report where we will come to know what kind of sales is generated by which particular salesperson. So here they have given only 3 columns like salesperson Sarah and the account where through which they have generated sales and the amount. Likewise, you can have your own thing. You can have order quantity here. There is no column for quantity here. You can have quantity here. You can have probably discounts also included in this particular kind of report. So as per your requirement, you can actually make this report, and you can you can do a scheduled email on a regular basis. For example, you want to send this report daily at 9 a.m. to certain concerned people like A, B, C. So by default at 9 a.m. all the reports will be sent through email to all these A, B, C category people. This can also be viewed on a mobile app. So if people are on the go in the job, they are traveling continuously, they find it very convenient with the help of mobile. Then lastly, we'll look at freight report. Now this report, here they have given 5-6 parameters like order ID, order date, required shipping dates, shipping country where you want to ship, postal code, and likewise. So you can have your own reporting system where you can have your own columns and as per your requirement and your basic structure, and that will help you to do quick decision making with the help of business intelligence reporting. So thank you so much for joining us. I would request you to subscribe to our channel Maple System to get daily updates about our different activities. Thank you so much.